plan is crucial for efficient exam preparation. It helps to structure your time, set priorities, and allocate enough time to each subject. Consider factors such as class schedules, curriculum activities, and personal obligations when creating your study plan. Be realistic about how much time you can commit to studying each day and adjust your plan accordingly. A well-structured study plan can reduce stress and increase confidence on exam day. Create a relaxed study environment. If you are planning on studying from home, be sure to make sure your room is tidy and your desk is clear from clutter. As they say, a clean space makes a way for a clear mind. Also, find it easier to focus if your study space is somewhere you actually enjoy being. Having a potted plant and decent lighting are small steps to create your ultimate study haven. And calming music and scented read diffusers can help you relax your senses, putting you in a good frame of mind to get some work done. Having a potted plant and decent lighting are small steps to create your ultimate study haven. Take regular breaks, drink plenty of water, and eat well. Studies repeatedly show that productivity increases when students take regular breaks. By breaking down your revision or essay writing into manageable chunks, you are more likely to remain focused and keep your brain engaged on the subject at hand. For every 45 minutes of solid work, you do take a 15 minutes break away from your desk, whether it's popping outside for some fresh air, having a quick tidy, or doing some stretches. We guarantee your brain will thank you later. Don't get distracted by social media. Write a to-do list. Capture everything. Lists, and more lists. Organize your to-do list by workflow, priority, or due date. Make it actionable. Verbs first, details later. Prioritize your to-dos. 7. Always include. Don't do all-nighters. You will regret it. You'll regret it. Every chapter is a new adventure. All the best for your exams. Positive mind, positive vibes, positive life.
Wow! Wow!
Thank you.